Hello, my fellow foolish mortals and happy haunters. My name is Dave, and I want to introduce you to my new YouTube channel, Spicy Pumpkin Productions. So you ask, Dave, why are you making yet another Halloween DIY channel? Aren't there enough of these channels out there doing the exact same thing? Well, over the last little while, I've noticed that many of the new DIY prop videos that come out are focused on complex animatronics and high-end builds. Amazing work, to say the least, but often way beyond what the average home haunter has the time, tools, or budget for. Now, don't get me wrong, I love those channels. Their builds inspire me, and I've learned so many new techniques and applications from them that I'd never tried before. So this isn't about putting anyone down. In fact, I highly recommend subscribing to those creators. If I pick up something cool from another video, I'll absolutely give credit and link it right here on this channel. But that brings me to why I started Spicy Pumpkin Productions. The reason I have started this channel is not that only do I have a passion for creating Halloween props and decorations, as well as running my own haunt, but many have asked me to share how I make my quality props and what techniques I use. This channel is here to fill a special niche, the DIY home haunter who wants to create spooky, impressive props using practical techniques, affordable materials, and a little creative thinking. I'm especially passionate about using found items and upcycling existing materials, because sometimes the best props are built from the unexpected. If you are on a budget, tight on time, or just getting started, this channel is for you. My goal is to help you take Halloween decorating and home haunts to the next level without breaking the bank or losing your mind. I'll also be doing reviews of store-bought props. So if you're looking to invest in something creepy, I'll help you decide what's worth your money. And yes, we even sell some of the props we build if you'd rather buy than DIY. I hope you find this channel both fun and educational. I would love to hear from you in the comments below of what kind of props or projects you would like to see here. What's on your haunting to-do list? And don't forget, we're doing a special giveaway for our first 100 subscribers. One lucky winner will win this Haunted Mansion style light up candle holder once we reach 100 subscribers. So be sure to spread the word about our channel to friends and family and other haunters. With that said, let's share ideas, get creative, and build something spooky together. From our crypt to yours, keep building and happy haunting.